Broview sent me these stackable and collapsible storage bins for my review, and I have seen nothing like this before. So this is 84 gallons because each of these can hold 28 gallons. So there are 3 of them, and the coolest thing, as I said, stackable, they can also be individual. So I do have the 3 on top of each other, and the bottom one does have wheels. So we attach these wheels on here, but check this out. Each individual storage bin has their own wheels. So if I didn't want to stack them on top of each other, I could actually just put this one on the floor and this one can roll around on its own. Or again, as you can see, with those wheels right on there, I put it right on top and it is stacking, which is absolutely fantastic. 2 ways to open this. The lids just come off like this, of course, and I can dig around inside. Or we have this cool little right here, this just kind of turns and then the little doors open like that, which I think is really awesome. Each of these can hold up to 110 pounds, which I think is absolutely insane. All on the side here, you've got these great little grooves, so it makes it easy to pick them up and move it around. But check this out. This is one of the coolest things. So most of these that I've used before, they get their structure from the lid. And oftentimes when you take the lid off, like you can only open them from the front and then they're all wobbly. But look at this. So as I said, remember, not only are they stackable, they're also collapsible. So we take off that lid and then inside there's these locks here. So this, we're gonna unlock on each side. That's gonna flap down. Same thing on this side, same exact ones. I'm going to unlock. Boom, boom, check that out. And then so if I'm not using it, I can just collapse it like this, tuck it away, and then pull it out when I need it. Honestly, these are so awesome.